Hi, it's Cathy Andronicou and welcome to this Chameleon and Sculpey collaboration. Take some white Sculpey Primo and knead and roll it into a ball. Then I'm using a Martha Stewart silicone mould and I am pressing the polymer clay into the mould so that it forms the shape of the image. So make sure you press it in firmly so that it goes into all the corners. Trim off any excess using the blade in the Essential Toolkit. Repeat the process for a second smaller butterfly. Add small pieces of hooked wire to the top and the bottom of the large butterfly and the top of the small butterfly. These will be your anchoring points for the keyring. If you wish, you can carefully remove the butterflies from the mould at this stage or leave them in the mould to bake. I personally prefer to take them out. I then place them in the oven on my worksheet for about 30 minutes at 130 degrees C or 275 degrees Fahrenheit. Now that the butterflies are baked, I'm ready to colour them in. So I'm going to take my mellow yellow Chameleon alcohol marker pen and I'm going to take my crimson red colour top. I'm going to place the crimson red colour top onto the top of the brush nib of my pen and leave it there for around about 2 to 3 seconds. I'm then going to colour from the edge of the butterfly back towards the centre and repeat this process until all the butterflies are coloured. Now I'm going to colour the middle of the butterfly using my taupe pen and also the bark pen to add a variation in colour and shade. Now the butterflies are coloured in, I'm going to take another piece of hooked wire and open up the hook so that I can thread it through one of the other loops on the butterfly. I will then close this around the loop to make a complete circle. Taking the open end of the wire, I'm going to thread seed beads through to create a little chain. I then thread the wire through the larger loop on the big butterfly. And then roll it around to create a closed clasp loop again. This now completes the two sections for joining them together. I'm now going to use a Tim Holtz finding clasp to attach the keyring element. My keyring is now complete. Thanks for watching.